Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's April 7th, 2025, and it's about 11:26. And we just had a downpour. It's lighting up a little bit. I got wet, me and the dogs and the Spaz cat. Going from the house to the garage, we got wet. Yeah, they all wanted out, and as soon as they realized it was coming down, they all ran into the shop. Anyway, the projects are on hold right now. Still working on this area here. As soon as I get some more help, we're going to use this mower here probably to pull the wobbly train. It runs, got flat tires. Hasn't been started for a long time, so it may be a little difficult. So I got most of the floor swept up. A lot of stuff's been tracked in since the Tahoe came in here. I have to move this 350 here out of the way, and before we uncrate this one here and pull this one here, you can see the 3 dogs here. The cat thinks it's a dog. They all rushed in here, get out of the rain. Now it's around 140, and the wind's starting to kick. It's around 320 right now, and the rain had stopped. Came down here and grain these pigs. It's 58 degrees, but it is so damp out here you feel cold. Of course, there's a cold breeze going along with that. I had a little high wind earlier. Came down here, and barn door was open, so blew some stuff out of it. Got that dealt with, and shut the door so it doesn't happen again. 3 dogs came down with me. Alright, it is cold. I'm gonna go and warm up some to drink. Now it's about 6:30, and the day is better than it has been. And I have an egg for Harold. There you go. Harold loves eggs. Yeah, everybody's fed. This baby here is eating grain. The other one's back there nibbling on the hay. Oh, they're just grain time. Nice to see the sun. Looks like a bunch more clouds are on their way.